how to design a back-to-school poster for your school. This is pretty easy and you can do it for free on Canva. So in this tutorial, I'm just going to show you the basic things you need. So obviously, make sure you go to canva.com and type it and literally just go there, create an account, sign in or whatever. And you're going to get to this page here. So once you get there, you want to go into the search box here and just type poster. Very easy. It's going to show you everything available here for a poster. Get a blank one because we're going to make it from scratch. And you can pick one of the templates here if you'd like, and those are cool, if you want something fast. But if you want to make something that stands out, you want to make something interesting, obviously, and unique, you can also do that as well. So one of the first things that I would do here in a poster, to create a poster, is I would just go and get some elements. Literally just get some elements. But make a background that's a little school friendly. So in this case, we're just gonna use a little light blue, maybe something like that. I don't know, something like this. It could be attractive to a school setting. But you can also find different colors, of course. There's always so many options with colors. I mean, I want to find something a little bit lighter in blue, something that doesn't, that just looks good. You can also go for pink or purple, light purple. It really depends on the school setting, the school colors, of course, too. In this case, we're just going to use a light blue here. And for the setting, we're just going to keep it like that to make it look like that. And it's very simple. We can use elements here and different things. So I'm just going to get, let's get some paper clips. I don't know, paper clips. So go to the elements section here and type in paper clips. And that's one of the good things about when you use Canva, because Canva has all these cool things and a lot of free stuff that you could use for your design. So you can grab some stuff and just drag it in. Obviously, you can make it smaller. You can even change the color of it too sometimes. So it's pretty cool stuff. I mean, this is one of the reasons why I like Canva. You can do a mixture of things. If you want, you can just get a couple of different ones here and just change the size of it. So just to make it look interesting, of course. To make it look like a school-friendly type of thing, of course. I'm actually gonna delete this one here. I just feel like it's kind of, I don't know, I'm just not feeling it, So you can even put back to school here, and you might even be able to find text that's already pre-done. Now, obviously, if you don't have something that, like one of the pro membership, of course, not everything's gonna be for free. But you can actually borrow some of the stuff here. This is free right here. So there's some free stuff in here. Back to school, if you're doing an elementary setting or something like that, you can, put something like that in there, and it looks great, right? Then, if you want to add more text, if you want to add custom text, of course, you can do even paint something with a paint, to kind of make it look interesting. And some of it is free, of course, so you can get this one over here. You might be able to change the color. Let me see. Can you change the color? Yeah, looks like you probably could. Let's change it to a red. Does a red make sense? You might not. I guess a red. Yeah, a red is okay. You can add some text as well to that right here, as you can see. You can put in open, let's just put open registration, I guess. Registration. I can't type today, of course. Open registration. You can resize that and make it all fit there, as you can see. And then make this a little bigger. Open registration. You can change the color of the text as well. Let's see, can we get like a lighter color? Open registration. Let's see. You can put that. You can also put a date on there if you want. September 5th. Put a text like that. Let's see, September 5th. Usually that's around the time schools are opening up. Obviously, you can do all sorts of different things here with this. You can even make one of these for yourself, something personal. You can put the address too. I mean, there's so many things, like 123 Elm Street, Los Angeles. I don't know, something like this, and you can edit it like this. Put it up here. I would say group this here so it's all together. You can put something like this. And you got a quick poster. You can add more text to it, but pretty much you can do something like this and you can print it out. It gives you the option to download it in different ways, so you can actually pick if you wanted a PDF. So if you want to take it to a printer and print it out, maybe go to like a Staples or something if you want the color. So there's a lot of options for you to do this here. I hope this tutorial helped. I'm going to be doing more tutorials such as this one. But yeah, you can pretty much play with this stuff over here, the elements, and it'll definitely help you out. I mean, you can even get an apple. I mean, literally, if you want to put an apple as as a graphic on there, you're totally welcome to do that. Let's see, you can kind of resize it and make it look like that. Like I said, it's really, the sky's the limit with Canva and the stuff that you could put in there. I mean, it's really, that's one of the benefits of using Canva. And the best thing is that it's for free. Open registration, September 5th. You can put I actually just realized that I made a mistake there with the Angels, and it's Los Angeles. And you can make it however you want to. So I hope this video helped. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. We're going to have more videos coming up, especially on Canva. There's a lot to pack in to do with Canva. So we hope to see you in the next video.